Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Got a box here, some car audio goodies up in here from Parts Express. I definitely want to send a shout out to them. The whole customer service team there is excellent. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. Let me take a look. Man, I didn't want this. What is this? What is this? But here we go. Got the unboxing knife, of course. Let's go on and pop her open. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got coupons galore. Can't wait to check that out. We got some buyouts. Definitely interested in, you know, something. No, I don't know, but I'm interested. Oh, shucks. So, I mean, it don't matter. Super tweets. And it's for a daily build. And it's just a small little add-on. That's all we doing here. My goodness. Pretty solid. Alright, let's go on in. Get the TW44s. And I've heard them personally plenty times around, and they sound pretty decent. There we go. Pretty much it. So we got some 300 watt TW44s, 1-inch aluminum super tweaks, and same thing here with this box, and on this main registration card, warranty card, the whole nine, and one sexy little tweeter. You know what? Parts Express. I might have to order 2 more of these and some kind of way incorporate them into my doors or something. I don't know. I love to just try them out in my build because, I don't know, I got enough tweeters though. That's pretty much my unboxing. So they definitely was pronto on the shipping. I mean, this thing got here like a bolt to lightning. I don't know what UPS is doing, or They got some magic carts or something, you know. Yeah. They let me keep them. Thank you again, Parts Express. I really don't know what I'm going to do with them. I don't know. I'm thinking about putting them in a 4-footer. Hey, if I get enough likes, I'll build a 4-footer for these and put them in my back seat, and I will go and compete with these. I was thinking about, I don't know, I was thinking about using them like for PA, you know, like incorporate them into my trunk, but I seriously doubt I have the space. You know, put it into the trunk lid, you know, just fiberglass holes for 2 tens, and these would be nice starters, you know, and eventually upgrade to, you know, PRV or something of that nature. But appreciate your Parts Express. I appreciate everybody liking, commenting, subscribing. Once again, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Please
help me. Help me.
You like bass, you like car audio, trust me, stay tuned to this channel. There's a lot more to come with different builds, different demos, from small time to some of the biggest in the world.
Oh yeah. Damn, I'm feeling so trippy.
We're human, right? Think about it. They might have been packing this up early in the morning. They might have, you know, life issues, anything, you know. Somebody in their family could be sick. They could just be getting back their health, anything. So I'm not going to knock them. I'm going to get in touch with them.
Damn, I'm feeling so trippy.